What's up, MACA gang? What it do, what it do, what it do. And I'm back with another one. Back with another one. Back with another one. Back with another one. Back it in. Yeah, boy. Mukbang. Mukbang. Review. Welcome back to the Famaca TV. What's up, MACA gang? If this is your first time, what's up? Welcome. Hit that subscribe button. Go ahead and hit that like button, because I guarantee you're going to like this video. And if you don't, hey, go ahead and hit the thumbs down. It's all good. And if you already a part of the MACA gang, welcome back. You feel me? All right. Guess what I got? Yeah. I was going to hold it up upside down, but I just got it, but I don't know. Let's see. Yeah, I don't know, because, I just got it a few minutes ago. Had to set up my camera. I don't want it to spill all on me. Now, this is the Sour Patch Blizzard. Now, by tasting that on the side, I decided to get a small one. Yeah, just in case I ain't like it. Sour Patch, But we reviewing it today. It tastes like something like Is that chewing gum in there? Some kind of something little. Tastes pretty good. Oh man, that's nice. That's nice, y'all. Oh, y'all. We got a little bites of kids stuff in there. So I decided to do this because this ain't give me no napkin. I don't think she gave me a napkin. She ain't give me no napkin. Yeah, okay. It's all good, y'all. Good in the hood. What we talking about today, after this review for a little bit, little that there. Yeah. Yeah. It's good. I like the little, there's some little things in there. If I find out what it is, I'll put them in the description. That is good. It's not really sour, though. It's not really sour, y'all. But I decided to do this video today because I've been eating today, y'all. And when I ain't hungry, I just can't make myself eat. Like if I done already ate, I can't eat it. So I said, well, I ain't had no dessert, so. So, today we're going to talk about, excuse me, woo. We're going to talk about how much it costs to VidCon. Now, I know some of y'all, I used to think that it was only for the big YouTubers. But it's for any YouTuber. It's for anybody that wants to come. You know. Those tickets is high, though. And tickets are high. But I'm a plan. If I don't get to go next year, I'm definitely going to go in 2021. But I'm going to try my hardest. So to get there next year. I would love to meet the other YouTubers and find out a little more how to grow and everything. But comment below if you are a YouTuber, you are a creator, and you're not that big, and you want to know, and you always thought, no, I tell you what, tell me in the comments below if you thought what I thought, that it was just for the big YouTubers. Or, well, I mean, if you look at the price, that's the only ones who can afford it. You got to fly out there. And the tickets, if you want to do everything, the tickets are $700 a piece. So, they're not cheap. They're not cheap at all. It's called VidCon. Oh, this is good. I feel like chewing on though. Now, Slash, my boy R. Kelly got arrested last night. Today is Friday, July 12th, 2019. He got arrested again. They got a video, oh God, of him and a 12-year-old, is what they're saying. Allegedly. You know, he might, I don't know, they say, I hadn't seen the video, so. A 12-year-old, for real? A 12-year-old? A 12? Come on, y'all. Hey, come on. 12? This is good. I'm trying to figure out what that stuff is in a minute. But come on, R. Kelly. R. Kelly. R. Kelly. Come on. Oh, I didn't give y'all a bite. Did I give y'all a bite? Come on, get some. Come on, get you some. Yeah, this is serious, R. Kelly. He might have to do some time after this. For real. Just spot it. 12 years old. But yeah, y'all. On a scale of 1 to 5, I give this a 10. It's so delicious. Busting the Rickle scale. Every time. Every time. So, y'all. You feel me? Pray for R. Kelly, man. And the child that he did, y'all. The family. This is just serious. But hey, we're going to bounce up out of here. I didn't mean to stay long. Not long. Y'all, you know I love y'all out there. Thank y'all for all y'all support. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you didn't, give it a thumbs down. You know why? Because I want you to keep it real with me. Keep it real with me. And whether you liked it or not, share. Make a comment that you didn't even like it if you didn't like it. If you liked it, make a comment and hit that subscribe button. Become a MACA gang. And I'm going to be up out of here. And we're going to do a little dance. Whoa. Whoa. Yeah, boy. So I'm getting up out of here, y'all. I love y'all out there, and peace. And I'm out.